2019 Toyota Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid, one reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 MPG rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, rear window defroster, heated front seats, trip computer, power windows, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, fog lights, CD player, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.